Want to make money while you sleep? Let's talk about 5 easy passive income ideas perfect for beginners. First up, rental income. Rent out a spare room, garage, or even your car on platforms like Airbnb or Turo. Start small and scale up. Next, dividend stocks. Invest in companies that pay regular dividends. It's like getting paid just for holding onto your shares. Third, create and sell a digital product like eBooks, templates, or online courses. Once it's live, you can earn for years. Fourth, affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. No inventory needed. Finally, start a blog or YouTube channel. Share your expertise, grow your audience, and earn through ads, sponsorships, and more. Passive income takes time to build, but the rewards are worth it. Pick one idea and get started today. Don't forget to follow for more tips on building your financial freedom.